Make sure to update your app before applying this trick. Then open Snapchat application. Click the chat icon below. Now open any of your friends' snaps. Now open the inbox to open the snap a second time. Tap for a second time. Click on replay. Now you can open the snap a second time. Usually if we open such a snap a second time, the notification goes to the other person. Now I'm going to tell you a way that you can view snaps multiple times without them knowing. So for this, first turn off your data and turn on flight mode. Now open any of your friends' snaps. Close your Snapchat application and uninstall Snapchat. Now turn on your mobile data and open your app store and install Snapchat app. Open Snapchat application and log in. Now open chats. We opened snaps twice, but snaps is still visible. Despite replying the snap, the notification did not go to my friend either.